Well, here we are, guys. I'll show you during the daytime, but like I said, an encounter with a deer tonight. We're waiting for the police to come by. I'll show you the car in the morning. It's pretty sad looking. You can't see it now, but the hood's all messed up and all sorts of things, so. Well, what an eventful night. My poor car. See you guys in the morning. We'll talk about it later. Obviously, thankfully, everybody is completely okay. There was, like, nothing wrong with anybody. You know, people aren't replaceable. We all know that. And this is, like, not major, but it's definitely going to be a bump in the road for this car's progress. It's just like all summer's been maintenance and fixing cars, and I don't know, the fun of cars. It's always a little tough to get ahead on these things, you know. Want to do cool stuff, but you know, things happen. So here we are. I'll come back out tomorrow and make a full video. I'm sure I've said that a couple times, but accidents are never fun. But here's a good look tonight on what she's looking like. Pretty much just pull radio support, probably like a headlight and a hood, but the list just kind of goes on. Well, we're out here. It's a new day. Here's a quick look at the Mercedes. Like I said, nothing's really changed since then. One thing you can tell right off the back, I'm thinking, yeah, it's definitely just the hood, thankfully. Hopefully, if I get a new hood, it'll straighten out all of this. You can see this side's lifted. This side is lowered. She hit some deer butt, and officer showed up, had to shoot the deer. What I realized is these are sold as two different pieces. So you have your headlight, and then you have your fog light assembly. I can't really find the whole assembly for less than like $300 something. So we just gotta replace this, and the little light bulb in here. I guess that's what makes it shine yellow. So a little unfortunate. Still some deer hair stuck in here. Yeah, this is definitely the extent of what we're looking at. I definitely need a hood and a headlight. Could have been worse. I mean, obviously, thankfully, everybody's okay. That's a no-brainer. But obviously, we're an automotive YouTube channel, so we're going to talk about the automotive half of things. But yeah, it's definitely a bummer. I think the radiator support's going to have to pull a little bit. Probably going to need to look into not need to look into a new grill, but I'd like to get one anyway. My hood ornament's all messed up too. That's a shame. That's probably the worst of it. But no, it'll all be good. It seems like the hood's latching pretty good. So we'll just come back to this and figure it all out. But definitely sad to see it like that. Man. Well, guys, a deer just plowed into the side of Callie's car. We're all driving back from the Freiburg Fair, all three of us, and not fun. Took out the mirror cap, took out the whole rear quarter, had a big scratch there. Everything else didn't look too bad, honestly. I don't really see anything else that's very crazy. He just rammed right into the side. Missed the door, thankfully. Oh, here it is. Yeah, we got some marks up here, so I don't know what that's gonna cause us, but definitely not fun. So I don't know. More projects to come. Second year this season. First the Benz, now the RSX. Not fun at all. These kinds of things always suck, but it'll be back better than ever, as always on the channel. We're always fixing these things, so definitely sad. Nothing I'm going to give you guys a how-to on, but just showing you what we have going on. So yeah, this really sucks. Just the door is okay. I don't know what's going on. We got a little bit of a crease with the fender, so yeah, it must be pushed in a little right here. So that's actually, that would describe this, which isn't too bad if it's just pushed in there a little bit. But yeah, so here we are. That's maybe we can get a dent remover to pull this. It's really not horrible. Pretty much a mirror at the end of the day, so we'll figure it out. And we'll always upgrade things. You know, if we have to buy mirrors, we'll make them cooler and all these types of things. So we're getting there. Yeah, that's definitely unfortunate. All right, guys, it is a new day. Everything is looking a little better now. This is the look of the car, though. You can see that rear quarter is completely crumpled. There it is. This sucks because it's stretched. You can see this rear quarter is being pulled back right now, and we don't have very great door lines. You got a big dent right here over the wheel. But the beautiful thing is that the deer plowed the side with the rust. So a new rear quarter is actually really nice because we knew at some point Callie was going to need a new rear quarter. So walk a little further down the car. We got a big dent in the door that you can see in the daylight now, so that's not too great. We need a mirror at some point, a mirror glass, which isn't a big deal. We may upgrade these. And then we got the crease here and dents here, so this whole side of the car is pretty much in need of replacing. I mean, the fender is savable, XYZ, but we're not stressing that too bad. More so the door, the mirror cap, and the rear quarter. You know, once insurance does its thing, if we go through insurance, are they going to total out the car? We're figuring most likely. So, like, we're just kind of in this endless loop of, like, what is next for the car? We'll keep you guys posted on what the plan is with the RSX. We'll fix the Mercedes in another video. You'll see this back on the road soon enough, and then we can get back to modifying it. That does it for this RSX hot take. We'll go back over to the Mercedes real quick and finish off the video. Just wanted to keep you guys updated. 2 deer. It's crazy. So, we're back at the house now with the Mercedes. This video, I mean, this is a really unexciting video for you guys. I apologize for that. I'll keep you guys posted with what we have going on in the second video, especially with some fixes for the car. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys right now. We're kind of at a dead stand, still waiting for parts for everything. So if you guys want to see some more car content in the future, we will definitely be rebuilding this one on the channel. One might be going to a body shop, so that makes life easy for us there. But this one I got to fix. So if you want to see some more car content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully we hit no more deer, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and peace out.